Hey, what's up, right lookers? As you see in front of me, this time around we have one of our wrap class vehicles. We wrapped this Honda Civic. This is a fairly recent model. I believe it's the 2018 or 2019 model, but nonetheless it's more of the modern car. As you see, this car started as a white paint job, and our students wrapped this charcoal gray, which is a very popular color. They learned wrap from the ground up. Most of them, actually all of them, didn't know any wrap techniques prior to coming to the class. They only knew what they learned off of the internet, or what tips and advice that their friends may have given them, but are also DIY advices. So as you can see right here, this vehicle, it has got seamless edges, very clean edges, very clean corners, and that's what the important thing is when it comes to wrap, is the edges and corners. Look at these mirrors, very clean, and the door handles, also very clean. The way that we teach our students is the cold install method, which uses less heat, not as much heat. They do use the heat guns, but that's only to secure the vinyl onto the car. They don't use it to really stretch the car, only to get the only to get the corners to grab on and finalize the install. That's about as much heat as they use. Other than that, there's no heat involved. As you see in the video, they installed it. A lot of it's mostly the tucking, the cutting. That's what's important in wrap. You could see right here, everything finally done. Look at the door edges, and they didn't remove any panels on the car. They didn't have to remove any of the panels. So that's also one of the key parts of being a certified wrap installer. Yes, you could remove the panels, but when it comes to removing panels and all that, time is money. So we teach them methods that are going to make them efficient and getting the job done with a quality result, as you see in front of us. So with that being said, let's just do a quick walk all the way around the vehicle so you see how it looks. The trunk, everything looks very nice. Very well done by your students in this 3-day course. Gas cap right here. Beautifully done. I hope you all enjoyed this video for this week of the vehicle wrap class. If you're ever interested in doing this, please feel free to visit our website online for more information, and we'll get you set up to becoming a trained wrap installer, certified for your business to be a premium installer and stand out among the crowd. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.